Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm here to share a secret that the world's top billionaires swear by. It's something that has transformed their lives and can do the same for you. It's the one morning habit that sets them up for success, day in and day out. And the best part, you can do it too. It's accessible to everyone, regardless of your background or current situation. No, it's not about waking up at 4 a.m. or chugging kale smoothies. While those can be beneficial, this habit is much simpler. It's something simpler yet profoundly impactful. It's about setting the right tone for your day. It's the practice of morning meditation. Now you might be thinking, meditation? Really? But stick with me. There's a reason why so many successful people incorporate it into their routines. Here's why this habit works wonders. Meditation has been scientifically proven to reduce stress, improve concentration, and enhance overall well-being. First, meditation helps you start your day with clarity and focus. It clears the mental fog and sets a positive tone. When you take even just 10 minutes to sit quietly and center your mind, you create a mental foundation that helps you navigate the day's challenges with ease. You'll find that you're more resilient, more patient, and more capable of handling whatever comes your way. Think of it like this. Your mind is a cluttered room when you wake up. Just like a messy room can make it hard to find things, a cluttered mind can make it hard to focus and be productive. Meditation is like tidying it up, so you can find your keys, phone, and wallet without stress. It organizes your thoughts and emotions. But how do you start? It might seem daunting at first, but it's easier than you think. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to get you started on your meditation journey. Step 1. Find a quiet spot. It could be a corner of your room, a spot in your garden, or anywhere you feel comfortable. Sit comfortably, whether it's on a chair or the floor. The key is to be at ease. Step 2. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. This helps to calm your mind and body. Inhale slowly through your nose, hold for a few seconds, and exhale through your mouth. Feel the air as it moves in and out. Step 3. Focus on your breath. Notice how the air feels as it enters and leaves your body. This simple act can be incredibly grounding. Notice how the air feels as it enters and leaves your body. Pay attention to the rise and fall of your chest. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring it back to your breath. It's normal for thoughts to come and go. Step 4. Set a timer for 10 minutes. This way you won't be distracted by checking the time. You can use your phone or a meditation app. There are many great apps out there that can guide you through the process. Step 5. When the timer goes off, slowly open your eyes and take a moment to notice how you feel. Reflect on the calmness and clarity you've achieved. By incorporating this habit into your morning routine, you'll notice a shift. It's a small change that can have a big impact. You'll feel more focused, less stressed, and ready to tackle your day with a clear mind. Your productivity and mood will improve. Remember, success isn't about raw talent. It's about the habits you cultivate. It's about consistent, intentional habits. The small things you do every day add up over time. Billionaires didn't become successful overnight. They built their success step by step, starting with the small habits that set the tone for their day. They built their success step by step, starting with the small habits that set the tone for their day. Each small step contributes to the bigger picture. So, give morning meditation a try. It's a simple practice that can lead to profound changes in your life. It might just be the game changer you've been looking for. You never know until you try. Thanks for watching. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more self-improvement tips. Let's unlock success together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more self-improvement tips. Let's unlock success together.